Starting around 23 October 2023, Nexo basically generally is exchanging at 57 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.22% in sort of most recent 1 hour in a huge manner, which sort of is genuinely critical. Nexo actually for the most part has a genuinely all-out market cap of $320,779,253, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,768,185, or so they sort of thought, or so they really thought. This in every way that really matters, in a real sense makes Nexo, by and large positioning at 95 in the cryptographic money market, in an unobtrusive way in a kind of significant manner. On the off chance that you in every practical sense explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly basically is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Nexo fundamentally essentially be actually genuinely worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Nexo a wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is genuinely critical? Will Nexo cost in a real sense outperform its record-breaking all things considered high in a very significant way, which fundamentally is very critical? These entirely are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, which is very huge in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Nexo cost actually especially is supposed to for the most part truly cross a by and large especially normal value level of 76 cents. The normal actually essentially least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the for the most part extremely current year should sort of certainly be 72 cents in a kind of significant manner in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Nexo can for the most part in every practical sense arrive at a pretty truly greatest value level of 81 cents by and large kind of additional appearance, how this generally explicitly makes Nexo sort of truly positioning at 95 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way amazingly. Nexo value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Nexo truly is estimated to really in every practical sense be at around a reasonably kind of least worth of 61 cents, or so they for the most part thought in an in every practical sense huge way. The Nexo value worth can vary arrive at a sort of truly limit of 69 cents, with the kind of especially normal exchanging worth of 67 cents in United States dollars in a by and large genuinely enormous manner, which in every practical sense is very huge. Nexo value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Nexo is supposed to sort of certainly be at around a by and large, especially least of 66 cents, or so they certainly thought, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo cost can basically sort of arrive at an essentially kind of limit of 72 cents, with the for the most part extremely normal cost of 68 cents in United States dollars, which explicitly by and large is genuinely huge, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo value expectation October 2023. The cost for Nexo in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 69 cents and 75 cents, which in every way that really matters certainly is genuinely huge. While the especially normal exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around 71 cents, exhibiting that these entirely are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, which generally basically is very huge in a truly significant manner. Nexo value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Nexo especially is for the most part anticipated to fundamentally arrive at a pretty in every practical sense normal cost of 74 cents, while the coin could exchange between an actually certainly limit of 78 cents and a very essentially least of 72 cents in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way. Nexo value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo fundamentally generally is supposed to explicitly essentially be at around a very least of 72 cents in an exceptionally significant manner, which in every practical sense is very huge. Nexo cost can explicitly arrive at a truly limit of 81 cents, with the especially most certainly normal cost of 76 cents in United States dollars in a by and large in every practical sense significant way in a quite huge way. Nexo especially kind of past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Nexo's cost in every practical sense, by and large, has shown a kind of good increment of 1.91% in the especially fundamentally most recent 24 hours, which generally is genuinely huge, which explicitly is genuinely critical. From quite most recent 7 days the Nexo explicitly really was in genuinely very great vertical pattern and expanded by 6.63% in an unpretentious manner, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo explicitly sort of has shown extremely kind of solid quite potential of late, and this could be in every way that really matters, fundamentally great chance to basically dive right in and contribute, so Nexo cost can generally certainly arrive at a limit of 81 cents, with the truly normal cost of 76 cents in United States dollars. Especially sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking in an especially significant manner. Inside the genuinely sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo basically truly diminished by 20.375%, taking out an incredible actually especially normal amount of 15 cents from its kind of really current worth, or so they sort of thought, which is genuinely huge. This unexpected down basically fundamentally implies that the coin entirely is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can essentially be a by and large especially great generally, for the most part purchase a potential open door for actually quite fast speculation, or so they fundamentally especially thought. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 31.96%, and the cost actually in a real sense flowed from a fundamentally truly least all things considered, in every practical sense, normal cost of 79 cents to truly greatest especially essentially normal cost of 86 cents in the by and large, especially beyond 90 days. Showing that the 90 days cost change especially truly is near 31.96%. And the cost generally coursed from an all things considered, exceptionally least especially essentially normal cost of 79 cents to in every practical sense, in every way that really matters, most extreme truly normal cost of 86 cents in the decently fundamentally beyond 90 days. Or so they certainly thought in an especially huge manner. Nexo certainly by and large is somewhere near 22.59%. With the genuinely sort of greatest especially normal cost of the coin really was around 67 cents, and the decently especially least entirely normal cost of essentially was around 65 cents, in especially beyond 4 months in a genuinely significant manner, which fundamentally is very critical. Nexo value figure 2023 facts. What will sort of be Nexo especially worth in 2023 in an entirely enormous manner, which explicitly is very critical. The Nexo cost entirely is determined to sort of especially arrive at an in every practical sense, certainly greatest degree of 81 cents, with sort of least cost of 72 cents toward the finish of 2023, which basically sort of is very huge, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Does Nexo most certainly essentially have a future, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking, or so they fundamentally thought. As far as value, Nexo generally has an exceptional in every practical sense, truly potential to essentially truly arrive at new levels, which for the most part especially is very huge, or so they thought. It truly in every practical sense is conjecture that Nexo will increment in esteem, which in every practical sense is very critical. As per decently kind of unambiguous specialists and business experts,